You won't believe how much TikTok paid me for one video with one product. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. I started testing TikTok Shop affiliate marketing as a side hustle last year, and in today's video I'm going to share with you what I think about this online business model, and I will be showing you the results. For those of you who are not familiar with TikTok Shop, basically there is an e-commerce platform integrated into the TikTok app. This means that viewers are able to make a purchase directly from the TikTok video that they view. This is an amazing platform because this is the very first social media platform that enables viewers to make direct purchase from their social media posts. As for how as a TikTok creator makes money on TikTok, there is a TikTok program called TikTok Shop Affiliate Program, whereby TikTok creators are able to apply to become an affiliate and help TikTok Shop promote products to get commission. Basically, if you are a TikTok Shop affiliate, you won't be having the products, but instead you are able to promote other people's products and get a cut out of it. Another good thing about being a TikTok Shop affiliate is before promoting any products, you are able to apply for samples first. The moment you receive the sample, you are required to only make one video. Now let me share with you one product that I've applied, which is a vacuum cleaner. And after trying out that vacuum cleaner, I made it into a video. So I post that required video, and I posted that video on the 23rd of September 2023. That is the only video that I posted. So I'm going to show you how much I make from just this one product and with this one video. In September, the sales I made was $2,000, and the commission I get is $202. In October, the sales made was $2,003, whereby the commission I made was $234. In November, the video didn't do as good as the previous months, so I made $1,600 in sales, and the commission was $163. In December, the sales picked up and I made $3,400 on this product, and the commission alone is $346. In January, I made $2,600, and the commission I made was $260. Lastly, in February, the total sales was $2,700, and the commission I made was $267. This brings the sales to a total of $14,600 in sales just with one product and with one video. As an affiliate for this vacuum cleaner, I enjoy 10% commission for each product that I sold. So in total, the commission that I've made up to date is $1,471 just with one product and one video. Now you must be thinking that the TikTok video that I posted about the vacuum cleaner is a very polished and very well created video. I let you be the judge. Testing this affordable cordless vacuum cleaner that mops. If this works, it's going to save my floor cleaning time by half. This is the water tank. Add some floor cleaner and add water. This is really easy to assemble. Even my 6-year-old knows how to assemble this. This is before I start vacuuming. Let's see how much dust it can collect. This is my first try, and I'm not gonna lie that the suction power is pretty good. And it is surprisingly very lightweight too. My flooring is not the smooth type, but this vacuum glides on very smoothly. This is just one room, and because this cloth is so small, in terms of mopping, I need to really rinse it first before I continue to the next room. Here I'm testing out some large debris. And yes, it does pick up the large debris as well. This is the second round. Suction is really powerful. Look at the dust. This Jomo portable vacuum cleaner and mop comes with different attachment as well. You have this crevice tool as well as a dust brush. It is definitely not difficult to create that one product video, but I do use a set of strategies for that video. In fact, I have a framework that I use for every single video, and every time I use this set of strategies, I will be able to go viral. After posting hundreds of videos on TikTok for the past 2 years, I've come up with a set of framework which I call it the viral system. From how I come up with the content ideas, to video editing, the keyword research on TikTok platform, what I say and write on my video, all the way to marketing the video, as well as the captions and the hashtags. I do implement the same viral system onto all my videos. The strategies of my viral system has been proven to work because it has helped me grow my online business to 6 figures income. This viral system cannot be explained in just one YouTube video, so I will be organizing a TikTok masterclass next week, and I will be sharing with you what I've shared just now regarding the TikTok shop affiliate, how you can become one, as well as how you can generate 2 more additional online income from TikTok. I call this masterclass the TikTok Cash Creator Masterclass because I will be revealing my 3 top secrets to you. My first secret is my 5-step system on how to make money from TikTok as a beginner. My secret number 2 is you will discover how to create multiple online income from TikTok with as little as $100. My secret number 3 is you will learn how I applied the viral system and made an additional $50,000 in just 1 year. I will be sharing a lot on the art of sell without selling through TikTok videos. So if you're interested to learn more, simply go to my website www.mayeng.co/TikTokCash to register for my free masterclass. This masterclass is ideal for those of you who want to make extra income online, for TikTok creators, as well as for those of you who are interested to find an alternative full-time online income from home. So go ahead and register for my free masterclass, and I'll see you at the masterclass.